and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to cook 5 pancit cantons, and yeah, that's my lunch. So this is what it looks like right now. 5 pancit cantons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. So yeah, I already boiled some water over there. I already start boiling it. I still have to wait a few minutes before cooking it. So yeah, I'll be right back when I'll put it in the pot. Hey guys, I'm going to open this right now. They smell good. I'm going to separate these things. So I'll be back when. Hey guys, so I'm going to submerge the pancit canton in water. In hot boiling water. It's a little hard doing it only with one hand. So I finished putting it in. I'm still gonna wait again. So I'll be back. Guys, update. So I drained the noodles in the drain from the strainer, and I put it in the pot a while ago. So I put all the sauce in, and this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like right now. I'm going to mix it right now, so be right back. So guys, I'm done mixing and I'm ready to eat. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like right now. I'm done mixing, so I'm gonna have a mukbang. You guys can stay right there. I'm gonna eat. It's quite spicy. From the package, it said chili mansi. So there's chili and calamansi. But it tastes good. I'm going to eat rice also. Double carbs. This rice was already eaten. It's already here overnight. I don't know if I might die from this food poisoning. But I'm still going to eat the rice with the noodles. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, by the way, I'm not sponsored. I wish I was. So the rice is all gone. Though these rice are stuck to the container, so just put it in water and it will be gone. So I'm going to finish the noodles. It's a little spicy now. I'll be right back, I'll just get water. Very spicy. Well, samyang is much more spicy. I can do this. I'm shaking, it's so hot, spicy. Oh my god. It fell. It's almost done. Guys, guys, guys. So, you can see the water in my mouth. You can see my sweat. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. Ew, ugly. Is this okay? Oh. So this is what the battlefield looks like right now. It's all gone. It's dead. It's all in my stomach. This is what the rice looks like right now. It's also all of it gone. All in my stomach. So guys, if you like my videos, my channel so far, please give it a like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you will, if you have any problems, just tell it to me. I'm open. Just DM me my Twitter at Wildfire. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.